Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, let's open up our settings, and in here we're looking for storage, which is right at the top, and once you click on it, click right here where it says this device, and then select the second option that is visible in here. Now for me it says Android, which is kind of misleading, but in your case it for instance might say something like Samsung SD card or SD card or anything along those lines. It just really depends on the device and how the card was formatted before. So just know that whatever else you see here besides this device, that's going to be always your SD card. And once you click on it, you can see we have the info about how much data is taken on it. And obviously if you store any kind of thing on your card that you'd like to preserve, maybe photos or something along those lines, do make a copy of it, backup, before you go any further. But assuming you have already done so, or maybe you just don't want to back up anything there, you can click right here on these three dots and then select Format. This will get you quick info. Format SD card for portable storage. So stored photos, videos, music, and more, and access them from, wait, what? We're gonna select this, and there we go. So that's what I was kind of looking for. So here we have a quick info. Disregard the first paragraph, it's kind of incorrect. We don't need to. It works right now. And below that we have formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So can I click on format? And you can see it says Samsung SD card. We'll see if it changes the name once it loads it up. Change it definitely the dark mode. But I don't really want to figure it out if it's do anything about the dark mode. Nope, it's still Android for some reason. But anyway, the card is formatted and ready to be used once again. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.